Hey, what's going on guys? Today in this new video, I'm going to show you how you can get text transparency effect in Photoshop. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So first and foremost, you must create a file which is very obvious in Photoshop by going to File and clicking New. I have already made, and now I'll import an image. So first I would like to say there are two methods of getting text transparency effect, and they both differ from each other. So the first one will look somewhat like this, in which the background is also translucent and the image, that is the text, is also translucent. In this both will be translucent. So first I have imported an image and now I'll type some text. So if you wonder which text I type in, that is the American Captain. The link will be down in the description if you want to download it. So first I'll type some text. I will say Switzerland. So now I have typed Switzerland, I'll take the tick mark. So now the text is written over here. And now the next thing which you should do is create a new layer by clicking over this last second icon over here. And then you should go to Edit and Fill, which has the shortcut of Shift plus F5. So go there, and by default the hues will be in foreground color. Change it to white and keep the mode as normal and keep the opacity between 50 to 70. Anything will work fine, but above 70 or below 50 won't look good. Make sure that the preserve transparency is unticked and keep the things as saved and click OK. Now we see that layer is formed which has white translucent background. Now after it is formed, bring the text, that is the words which we wrote, on the top. Now it will look black. So go to the blending options of the text layer, and then you will see the options over here which say opacity and fill opacity. Reduce the opacity to around 70% and fill opacity to around 50 to 60% and click OK. And now the first one is completed. In this we have both of them translucent. So the first one is over, and now the second one will look somewhat like this. In this there will only be a block which will cover the text area. It won't cover the entire background, whereas it will only cover the text layer. So first we should obviously go and write some text which says TO here, and I'll type in this same one which I wrote before. Now select the selection layer and then align it where you want it perfectly, and then again follow the same step. Make a new layer, go to edit and click fill and click OK. Now the Switzerland layer which is in the middle, bring it to the top, and now select the layer which we made it translucent, that is the second layer which says layer 1 over here, and now click Ctrl plus T. Now this will take us to free transform mode. Now hold shift and slowly reduce its size. Make it perfectly aligned in such a way that the translucent background will only cover the area around the text, and after it is aligned, click the tick mark over here. And now go to the text layer and click blending options, and now reduce the opacity to around 76, and you can change even the opacity to your liking, and I'll keep it like this and I'll say OK. So that's pretty much it. I hope you like this video and hit like button. If you haven't already subscribed, then be sure to hit that subscribe button. I'll talk to you guys in the next one.